Hey guys, welcome back with another trending video. Guys, in this video we will discuss how can you turn off restricted mode on YouTube on iPhone. So simply guys, if you want to disable or turn off restricted mode, so we can do it very easily. So first of all guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. Then guys, if you're using iPhone, you may open your app store and in search bar you may write here YouTube, and guys you may make sure that you have latest or updated version of YouTube. If you're not latest or updated version, please update your app from here. Then guys you may open YouTube app, and guys you may log in or sign in with your Google account. Then you may click here and you may click here on settings. Here you may see that here is the option of general, so you may click here, and here is the option of restricted mode, so you may turn off or turn on from here easily. So if you want to turn on restricted mode, you may click here and this will be turned on, and if you want to turn off restricted mode, you may click here and this will be disabled permanently. So by all these methods guys, you can enable or disable restricted mode easily. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.